Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around video here, going over the interior and exterior. First we'll start up the car and do a quick light operation. Let's go ahead and head to the front. Nice. There's high beams on, you got blinkers. There you go. Now he's gonna go ahead and turn it off. Perfect. Let's go ahead and head to the rear and see the rear lights. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. All right, let's go ahead and open her up and take a look at all the different compartments. Okay, looking at the front compartment here. Everything nice and tidy. Go ahead and take a look at the rear. I'm gonna pop that. Got the jack and the tire iron right there. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below or use a contact seller button. If you'd like a shipping quote, you can go ahead and use the contact seller button. We'd be happy.